Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build an automatic super simple super smelter in Minecraft. The design can only be 25 furnaces long, any more and it won't work properly. I'll have all the materials listed in the description. For this tutorial I'll just make the 25 furnace array, but you can make any size up to 25. Place a double chest, then 25 hoppers facing into the chest in a straight line. On top of the hoppers place 25 furnaces. Behind the furnaces place 25 hoppers. And on top of the furnaces place your 25 hoppers again. Cut on the side without the chest and place 3 blocks out. And then 2 blocks on the bottom. On the top place 2 powered rails and then place regular rails all the way along. Come back and on the bottom layer place 1 powered rail and then make the rest regular rails. When you're at the side with the chest, come out 3 more blocks. And 2 blocks on the bottom. Then another 2 powered rails. Then regular. Then on the bottom layer place 1 powered rail and 2 regular. Break this powered rail, place a block and a block here. Then come to the other side. Break this powered rail, place a block and a block here. And a redstone block. Come to the side with the chest, place a lever. This will be the way you activate the system. Then place 2 chests here. Another 2 chests here. Then place in your minecarts with hoppers. Now on the top layer come in 7 hoppers. And on the 7th hopper, break the 2 rails and place in 2 powered rails and a redstone block. Then come in 6 hoppers, break the 2 rails, place in 2 powered rails and then place a block of redstone. And then from that block of redstone come in 6 more hoppers, break both rails, place in your powered rails and your block of redstone. Now you can label your chests, the top one being your input, the back one being your fuel, and your bottom chest being your output. Now all you have to do is place in whatever you want to smelt. Place in your coal or your fuel. This will be picked up by the minecarts. And then once both minecarts are full, just flip the lever. The hopper minecarts will go off, filling up all the furnaces. Once the furnaces have stopped smelting, you just flip this lever and the hoppers will go back into their stations and you'll be able to collect all the materials that you've smelted. If you found it very helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.